Welcome back to the circle, my witches, wanderers, and seekers. It is January 28th. The moon has swollen to a waxing gibbous, nearly full, pregnant with light and possibility. We are still held within the dark embrace of deep winter, but the energy is rising. Can you feel it? The pressure to grow, to push outward, to become. But before we stretch towards the sky, we must remember where we stand. Today's theme is Earth Remembrance, Deepening. In our excitement for the coming spring, for the full moon's release, we often forget the soil. We want the flower without the root. But in magic, as in nature, height is sustained by depth. You cannot build a tower on a foundation of clouds. Today's priestess anchor is Earth Remembrance. Today's priestess anchor, Earth Remembrance, calls us back down. It asks us to trust gravity. It asks us to remember that we are not just spirits floating in the ether. We are bodies made of bone and blood, standing on a planet that knows how to hold us. Our guidance for today is the fundamental law of magic. Grounding sustains expansion. The waxing gibbous moon is a time of refinement and intensification. If you are likely feeling the urge to do more, to push harder, to finalize your plans, you are likely feeling the urge to do more, to push harder, to finalize your plans. The energy is high. But high energy without a grounding cord leads to burnout. It leads to anxiety. It leads to spells that fizzle out because they have nowhere to land. Think of the great oak in deep winter. Its branches are bare, exposed to the biting wind. How does it survive the storms? Not by fighting the wind, but by gripping the earth. The roots go down as deep as the branches go high. This is the lesson of Earth Remembrance. If you want to expand your life, if you want to bring in new love, new money, new opportunities, you must first deepen your capacity to hold that energy. You need a nervous system that is regulated, a body that feels safe, and a connection to the physical world that is unshakable. We often treat grounding as a boring prerequisite, something we must rush through to get to the real magic. But grounding is the magic. It is the act of plugging into the infinite battery of the earth. Our spellwork focus for today is stability and elemental support. We are calling on the element of earth, not just as a concept, but as a tangible ally. Let us anchor this stability now. Wherever you are, if you want to become aware of gravity, feel it pulling you down. It's not a weight that burdens you. It is a hug from our planet. It's the earth saying, I've got you. If you are seated, feel your bones. If you are seated, feel your bones heavy in the chair. If you are standing, unlock your knees and feel your feet spread wide. Take a breath that travels all the way down to your belly, expanding your lower ribs. As you exhale, imagine sending roots down through the floor, through the foundation, deep into the cool, dark soil. Repeat this invocation after me, or silently in your mind. The earth holds me steady as I grow what is new. Feel the truth of that. You do not have to hold yourself up alone. The earth holds me steady as I grow what is new. Let the anxiety of doing drain out of you, replaced by the certainty of being. How do we practice this deepening today? We get literal. Your witch's practice for today is simple but profound. Spend 5 minutes grounded, feet on floor or soil. If you can, go outside. I know it's deep winter, and for some it may be very cold, but even just standing on your porch or finding a patch of frozen grass for a moment connects you to the reality of the season. If you cannot go outside, find a spot in your home where you can be undisturbed. Take off your socks. Place your bare feet flat on the floor. Close your eyes. For 5 minutes, do nothing but feel the connection between your souls and the support beneath them. Visualize your energy of the waxing gibbous moon pouring down into your crown. Visualize the stable, ancient energy of Earth rising up through your feet. Let them meet in your heart. This is how you become the bridge between heaven and earth. This is how you stabilize the magic you are building. As you move through this day, carry the mountain with you. When chaos swirls, when the to-do list feels overwhelming, remember your feet. Remember the ground. You are supported by a planet that has weathered billions of winters. You are safe to grow. You are safe to expand. Thank you for deepening your practice with us today. If you found stability in this circle, please share this episode with a friend who needs grounding. Together we build a network of rooted power. Until tomorrow, feet on the ground, head in the stars. Blessed be.